What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is a PlayStation 5 error, and the error code is NP-102946-2. Please install the latest system software update files or update files on the application or system software. On both you can get this. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. So here we are, and here we go to the screen. Look at that, we are at the screen on the PlayStation 5. You just check here, you get the application update notification here. You are updating, you get here the notification. After update, you get here the notification also in the notification section. Here you go the settings, and then go to the system and system software update. You just turn it on, download automatically, and update. Here is up to date. If you needs to update, you get here to updating. You can update using internet or USB, and you just update, and you can know about the new feature update also. And you can restore the license also, and sometime your application, if is need to, you just update your application also. And here is the, you must check the storage also. Sometimes the storage is not enough, that's why you're not going to update your system software or update files, application or DLCs. And sometimes having corrupted file, you just go to the turn off your PlayStation 5 safe mode. There's a rebuild database, simply rebuild the database, check the storage also. After rebuilding database, corrupted file will be deleted and your Sony will fix. So simply that's how you can fix this error, and I hope so found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic. And if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like.